In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to register yourself on Magnus. Yes, I'm going to be showing you the registration process, including the account approval. So this is what you have to do if you want to sign up on Magnus. First of all, note that Magnus is not a coupon code platform. The company is not using coupon code, so there is nothing like coupon code here, because I've heard many people talking about coupon code for registration. So this is to clarify you that Magnus doesn't use coupon code. So if you want to sign up on Magnus, this is what you need to do. For example, now let me go back, and you have to get your registration link. Like if you want to register yourself, you first need to have the registration link, understand, or your upline will register you direct if your upline is one of the payfac or agents. So for the purpose of this video, here is my link. So I will just have to click on the link right here. So after clicking on the link, it's going to take me to this particular interface that we were before. Then as you can see it right there. The first plan available on Magnus is the light plan, which is the starter with the registration fee of 11,000 naira. Then the second plan is pro plan with a registration fee of 17,500, and the third plan, which is the highest, like the oga of them all, is called business plan, understand. So this is Magnus business. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to carry out the process with the Magnus business because it's actually the best plan to go with on Magnus in order for you to earn high. So this is what you need to do. All you have to do is just to click on, since I'm going with the business plan, you can see all this get started under it. So since I'm going with the business plan, all I have to do is to click on get started. So after clicking on get started, it's going to pop up this particular place. Now I will now click on checkout. So after clicking on checkout, it's going to take you to this particular interface. This is what you need to note. Like, this place is very important for you to know. This place that says choose your preferred payment facilitator, this particular place that says choose your preferred payment facilitator, you need to be very careful and just know what to do. So all you have to do right here is for you to click on this arrow, for this, as in click on the drop down arrow. This simply means that any person that you choose here, any of the payfac or agents that you choose here, is actually going to be the person that is going to approve your order, or that is going to approve your registration in order for you to get to your dashboard. Else it's going to show pending. So let me click on it. So after clicking on it, you are going to see a lot of payfacs available, which you need to choose one person that you know, or you can first message the person to tell the person or to make the person know. So choose somebody that you know that when you contact the person will be online to actually approve your order. So for example, now I'm going to use myself as one of the example because I'm right there on this list. So let's go for Coach Jorex. We are going to be okay. Look at me here. You see, this is me, Coach Jorex. So if you want to go with me, now you click on Coach Jorex. So after clicking on Coach Jorex, you have to scroll down. You are going to see this particular place is right here where you will require to fill your informations. So you first go with the username. Okay, I mean full name, sorry. Let's go with the full name. We paste the full name right here. The email address, let's paste the email address. So here is the email address and password, understand. You know, this is confidential and it need to be hidden, but I don't think if I've entered the right password. Let me check. So I have my password already. I will just paste my password. You know, this is confidential and it need to be hidden, understand. So I will paste the same password again, but in case you didn't copy your password, you just need to type it here manually. But I have already copied the password, so all I have to do right now is to head over and click on register. After clicking on register, you can see, make sure to always save it to your browser in case you made a mistake. And this is the place that I was talking about. You see, I have registered. You see that the account is under review, and you see pending funding, meaning that this actually requires approval. So since I am one of the payfac agents, let me go and approve this particular account for this person to be able to visit his or her dashboard. Let's go. I will go to my own dashboard. Okay, so let me go and approve it. You can see right there I have one pending order. You see, because I actually selected myself as the payfac, that's why you are seeing one order here. So let me approve it. If I scroll down, you see that this is the person that registered, this is the email and the name that registered the account. So all I have to do now is to approve the order. So you see, after approval, you see that funding order has been approved successfully. Now let's go and check that person account again. So let's check the status by clicking on it, or you can see now this person account has been successfully registered, as you can see right here. So since the account has been approved, one thing left is to complete a profile, which after this the person can just log into his or her account, and it will take the person to the dashboard, or the person can click on complete profile. So after clicking on complete profile, you just have to fill in these informations right here by entering his phone number, his username, phone number, and select gender, either male or female. So let's do that right now. So you can just, okay, let me enter the phone number right there. I copied the phone number already. I will just have to paste. If you don't copy it, you can just type it manually. Then the username, let me enter the person username. So let's say this is the username. All I will have to do now is to select the gender. Like I said before, the person is actually a male, so I will click on male, and finally I will tap on complete and access dashboard. You see, and it's going to direct me to the dashboard. As you can see right here, this particular account has been registered successfully and ready to earn. And if you check right there, you see that if you check the revenue analytics, you see that the person has received 27,500 naira as a welcome bonus, I mean, or as a cashback, understand. So this is just how to register on Magnus. And check it here also, you see that the person registered on business plan. So you can just access the dashboard. This is the person's dashboard, and you can see everything right here. So it's just as simple as ABC. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and share this video to others. Bye.